How to create LinkedIn business page. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open LinkedIn in your browser. After that, in this top navigation bar, you will see an option of for business. Drag down this button and then scroll down and then go to create a company page. Now select what kind of page or what kind of business it is. Go to company if it is your company, and then make sure you have enough connection to create a page. If you have enough connections and all the criterias, you will be able to create a page. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.